Hello everyone, I am Dr. Godandaraman. In this section we are going to discuss with analytic function problem. Look at this problem. Find the analytic function f of z equal to u plus iv, where u plus v equal to x minus y into x square plus 4xy plus y square. The previous type of problem we have uploaded in the video, please refer. In this video we solve the problem when u is given to find the v value, when v is given to find the u value. It's a conjugate harmonic related problems. And to find f of z when u is given, to find f of z when v is given using Milne's Thomson method. But in this problem, different one given, u plus v given. So u and v both is given the problem. Now we can see how to solve this problem. First of all, f of z is nothing but u plus iv. Now multiply I on both sides. Therefore, I into u plus I square into v. I square value minus 1. Therefore, this term iu minus v, I into f of z. Now I am consider this is the equation 1, this is the equation 2. Adding equation 1 and 2. When I am adding these two equation, f of z plus I into f of z equal to u plus iv plus iu minus v. And therefore, I just taking f of z common, therefore 1 plus I equal to, here I rewrite in the form of real term and imaginary. Real and imaginary, u minus v real plus I into u plus v. Now I am taking the whole term 1 plus I f of z to consider capital F of z. The u minus v, capital U, I into capital V. Therefore, capital V equal to u plus v. The value x minus y, x square plus 4xy plus y square. So this is a capital V. Now using Milne's Thomson method, Milne's Thomson method, to find capital F of z when capital V is given. Therefore, capital F of z equal to integral pi 1 of z comma 0 dz plus I into integral pi 2 of z comma 0 into dz, where pi 1 of z comma 0 is nothing but capital V of capital Vy of z comma 0 and pi 2 of z comma 0 capital Vx of z comma 0. This is the only we are going to calculate. Now first, capital V is nothing but x minus y, x square, 4xy, y square. Now differentiate partially with respect to x. So capital X equal to, consider u v. So u v dash plus v u dash. Therefore, this is a consider u, x minus y, u. V dash the whole term to differentiate. Therefore, x square differentiation 2x plus 4x, x differentiation 1, 4y plus 0 plus 0. Therefore, this term plus, this is the u v dash plus v, x square 4x plus y square, 4xy plus y square into v u dash. U dash is 1 minus 0. Therefore, this term x minus y 2x plus 4y plus x square 4xy plus y square. Now this is a capital Vx. Now what is the value pi 2 of z comma 0? So pi 2 of z comma 0 is nothing but capital Vx. Substitute x to z and y to 0. Therefore, when I am substituting here z minus 0, then 2z plus 4 into 0, this is a term, and then See, this is a, I am substituting here x minus y, so z minus 0, then 2z plus 4 into 0 plus z square 4z 0 plus 0 square. Now what is the value here? Z 2z plus z square, other term 0, so 3z square pi 2 of z comma 0 value. Then v, what is a v? X minus y, x square 4xy plus y square, partial derivation with respect to y, therefore u v dash, this is a u, v dash with respect to y, x square constant 0, then 4x constant, y differentiation 1 plus 2y, this is a u v dash plus x square 4xy plus y square v into u dash 0 minus 1. Now the term is x minus y 4x plus 2y, then minus x square 4xy y square, this is a vy. So pi 1 of z comma 0 is nothing but vy of z comma 0. Substitute x value z, y value 0, so z minus 0, then 4z plus 0, then minus z square plus 4z 0 term 0, this term 0. Therefore 4z square minus z square, this is a 3z square pi 1 of z comma 0 value, pi 1 of z comma 0. Now substitute capital F of z equal to integral pi 1 of z comma 0 dz plus pi 2 of z comma 0 dz I into, now substitute pi 1 of z comma 0 3z square dz plus I into 3z square dz plus constant. So when I am integrating this value f of z equal to 3z square, 3 constant z square is z cube by 3 plus I into 3z square, 3 into z cube by 3 plus constant. Now cancel this 3 3 3 3, so therefore z cube plus I into z cube plus c. So when I am taking z cube common, 1 plus I into z cube plus c constant. Now capital F of z, but the question is small f of z, therefore to rewrite the form of capital F of z is 1 plus I into small f of z. See, let assume here capital F of z is 1 plus I small f of z. Therefore to rewrite the form, here 1 plus I into z cube plus constant. Now divide by 1 plus I, therefore f of z equal to, when I divide z cube plus c by, because divide 1 plus I, so c by 1 plus I, consider another one of the constant, so f of z equal to z cube plus c1. So this is the final answer f of z. Thank you.